Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. So in the last video, we saw about auto approve, how to auto approve all the changes and override the confirmation when doing Terraform apply. So in today's video, let's see about how to plan something and save it in a file and apply the changes. And while applying, it won't be planning again. It will just use the saved file and apply all the changes. So let's see how to do that, and it will be useful when there are large amount of changes in your deployment. So this will be very useful. So for example, let's change over here. Let's make it as demo 2, and other than this, let's see what else we can change. Let's add one more category maybe. And give it as category 2, category 2, category 2. So I've just done this. Now let's do Terraform plan, but when doing Terraform plan, let's also give a out file for saving this plan in a file. So Terraform plan, just add a space, add double hyphen, add out, and you have to pass a file name. Plan, I'll just give it as plan, and extension should be out. Now if I do this, you will see a new file being created in the root. So let me press enter. So if you see here now, there is plan.out coming up. And now if I do, so now what we'll do is just do Terraform apply and pass the file info. So it will use this file to apply the changes, and it will not be doing any plan again. So for that, what you'll have to do is just type Terraform apply, give space, and give the file name. The file name which I've given is plan.out. Give this one and just press enter. So it is applied. Usually you'll see the plan again, and it will ask for confirmation. So all those things are already done in the planning section itself. So here we are just using that plan.out and applying the changes. So if I come here and show you the change, you'll see demo 2, and you'll see one more category being added. So category 2. So that's how you use Terraform plan and save it in a file, which is very useful when doing large number of changes or deployment to Commercetools or any other resource, cloud services or anything. This will be very useful. So hope this was useful, guys. If it was useful, please do the like button, do subscribe, and if there's any doubt, please post in the comment section. And yeah, that's all in the video. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.